Reinforcement lapping zone in column. Hence, the main function of overlapping of reinforcement are to maintain the continuity of steel to transfer load safely from one bar to next bar. I am going to discuss what should be the position of overlapping of reinforcement in column. To make it easy, let's consider a slab beam junction. Divide the column into three zones: Zone A, Zone B, and Zone C. Zone A and Zone C are considered as the most critical zones in comparison to intermediate zone, which is Zone B. Due to several loads, seismic or wind load, and zones are subjected to maximum bending moment in comparison to intermediate zone, which is Zone B. If the load is applied in Zone A, it will tend to bend the column in such a way that the maximum movement is generated at Zone C. As per IS 13920, both critical zones lie at a distance of L/4 from their respective ends. Note: avoid lapping in tension zone and at beam column slab joint due to maximum stress. Top and bottom end of column experience maximum bending moment. Ties should be spaced closely in the entire lapping zone.